Hey, what's up, producers? I've got a special surprise for you over on my website. You'll find the exact Ableton Maschine setup that you see on your screen right now. You can download it and it's ready to use. There is an audio track for your reference mix. You have individual outputs for all your pads, 4 groups for all your drum samples, 1 group for synthesizers, complete control, and vocal samples. You can control transport with your Maschine MK3 controller, and it comes with ready-to-use, high-quality kick samples that I have created with Punchbox. You won't need any additional audio effects in Ableton Live. Simply place them in this Ableton project or load them in Maschine and hit play. Now let's have a look at this project. This amazing low end is perfect for kickstarting your next techno production, and in my new 2024 series, we'll be breaking down each step, making it easy for you to create your own techno bangers and produce like a pro with exciting Ableton Live, complete control and Maschine MK3 tutorials, native instrument synth and sample packs, Punchbox, Serum and LFO tool, Isotope tonal balance control, Neutron 4 and Ozone 10 advanced for mixing and mastering. Your input shapes the content, so hit that subscribe button right away and let me know what plugins you'd like to see in the next videos and the samples you're on the hunt for. I'll handpick some of the finest from the sample pack I'm currently developing, and they'll be readily accessible for free download on my website. Now click the link in the description to get this free Ableton Maschine setup and your kick samples. In the next video, I'll show you how to import a reference mix, how to use tonal balance control, plan arrangements, and other EDM tips. Let's make 2024 a year of great techno music.